Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining us today. Let's start learning how to use Quizlet. Quizlet is a resource where we are going to be creating our flashcards, or we can just find some that are made already. This resource, we can use it as a teacher or as a student. You only have to log in with your email account, and also you're going to be finding out if your teacher give you a access for a class is going to be ready for you, or you can just look for the library and you're going to be finding out material in mostly any topic that you're going to be looking for. But today I'm going to show you how to use flashcards. And this is a flashcard that I have been using with my students. And as you are going to be seeing, it is so easy to show them how it works because you have options. The first option is like you're going to be learning with them together and you can start practicing. In order that you're going to be seeing how to handle with the topic. In this case, it's family and it's a lot of vocabulary. You're going to see that this is the definition, this is the picture, and also you're going to be able to have options to match. So it says choose matching term. So as you can see, we have the matching term, and of course, we're going to be choosing one. And so on. So you're going to be doing your flashcards as a unit of work or exercises. Let's see here, choose matching term. One more time again. And here we go. We are going to be passing by like this. If you have a wrong one or a mistake, you're going to have the correct one and it's going to be like that. So as you can see, here is the picture, here is the definition, and also how to match it. So in this case, you're going to be testing your students' knowledge too, as well as proving how much they understood the content or the topic that you shared with them. So here we go. This is something that I wanted to show you in order that you can practice with them. And also I'm going to show you how to go and test them, because here we have learned together. We have the flashcards as they itself. Here is not testing. At the beginning, this is the way that you should show them before you start with the test. All right, so you can just pass by the flashcards, and then you're going to see that you have the picture and also the definition on the other side. So here we go. You are going to see it there. So this is the first step. I skip the first one by mistake because I show you first learn. But if you have learned a topic before, the day before, it is going to be an option to do it like a review. So once you have shown, learned, and flashcards, let's go to test. And right here, you're going to see it like the one that I showed you before, but in the way that you're going to be setting up like a test, right? Here we go. All of them together, like in a Google form, if you have used it before. So you're going to be seeing it, and also here, you're going to be having the students' answers. So you can submit the test. Let's say here, let's say in here, and also right here. I'm just choosing one option to see how it looks like once I submit my answers. And submit. Here we go. So this is my result. So you are going to be seeing your students' results, or if you send the link, you are going to be able to tell them that they have to take a picture on this, and you're going to be seeing what are their grades. Also, you have the option to print it. It is very nice to do it. So you can just download it as a PDF document, and it's going to be it. There we go. And once it's downloaded, you're going to be seeing it, and that's it. So this is a wonderful resource in order that you can work with them from the very beginning, from flashcards, learn and test. And also you're going to see more like blocks. This is something new. You can play with them. And here we go. And as you can see, this is going to be integrating gamification. So let's write down what's the answer. And my answer is this one. So I have to submit it. Okay, let's see. All right, there we go. So I have to go it again. Play it again. And possessive pronoun feminine, her. Let's try it on. Yes, it is. Very good. So this is a gamification part of them instead of using the flashcards. And also matching. Matching, you're going to see that it works with you as a, let's say like a guessing, right? So let's go here, name and name. Yes, this, and let's go for possessive. Okay, this, no, it says not. Okay, not again. All right, so you just can try on here, right? And this is it for showing you how it works. Our amazing tool that today I'm showing to you, and it is Quizlet. Hopefully you have learned how to use it and create your account. That's the first thing. Later on, look for more if you want to. Look for any other material that have been done. Teachers that are online too, same as us, looking for some material to do. Thank you very much for coming to this video and hope to see you soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.